said cunna sa tá ag teacht or a mock turtle an Micah walk is licked them lewer on creepy quill and neela cock dear go balya all clear gonna beat the odds yeah. Kane fucking Jackie bro feckin' and Gruig and steel I need a shaska dough it's there I'm shutting rain new it him like punk a tree spreading the word to all with something fresh you see I'm getting fairly gone off most swing shit Scott Bush scale and that's getting rented what's up where you flaked in pure sheen today and more fussed and I'm gone nice to meet you shit on sale like sure it's all glory like it's rain never waiting much I'm on that fair car or flat to the max it come every year fog she is from pad to tracks yeah. Atomic shock now, BAC is so down, it's on lockdown IMLÉ, JS rocking out, got crowd, Tipple more here, they're hanging on Gok sound. It's B-Ray, atomic shock now, BAC is so down, it's on lockdown IMLÉ, JS rocking out, got crowd, Tipple more here, they're hanging on Gok sound. Being on sale show jacker is feck am araha ing got nil na fuckle le gwyn but it be grancher shinna yerin widow log a lost time a noti lum shin mo vanach di we've seen catastrophe it's much slong get on for kuna ain road dear fullest blank you got to get a fresh head on and be strong for long now bakle botium bug should have her newer it's by two regalua the helic views got bio so scop the ski han to a niece is who is like folks like Maragdal two folks like Maragdal, I go and troll Cullinall, never break or fall, never break or fall. It's not be all gluck, Marta Culla Road Tau, it's gonna be all good, yeah. It's B-Ray, atomic chalk now, BAC is so down, it's on lockdown. IMLÉ, JS rocking out, got crowd, Tipple more here, they're hanging on Gok sound. It's B-Ray, atomic chalk now, BAC is so down, it's on lockdown. IMLÉ, JS rocking out, got crowd, Tipple more here, they're hanging on Gok sound. Down is on lockdown IMLÉ, JS rocking out got crowd Tipple more here they're hanging on Gok sound. It's B-Ray atomic chalk now BAC is on down is on lockdown IMLÉ, JS rocking out got crowd Tipple more here they're hanging on Gok sound.